In today's video, we're building these awesome Lego play trays. They're super easy to make and won't break the bank. So stick around, let's get started. Alright, so what you're gonna need, first thing is one sheet of 1/4 inch Baltic birch, 11.5 inches by 20 inches. The next thing you'll need is one Lego build mat. They're 10 inches by 10 inches. After that, you're gonna need two 1x2 by 20 inch boards. I use Select Pine from Lowe's. Then you're gonna need three 1 inch by 2 inch by 10 inches long. Next thing you'll need is wood glue. I use Titebond 3. You'll need some CA glue, a finishing nailer or crown stapler. I love these little things right here. They're from Rockler. They come in 1/2 inch, 3/4 of an inch. Those are the 3/4 inch ones, and they do a great job if you need to get something at a 90-degree square. They're an awesome job. I have 4 of them. I'll stick them all around. I'll get it dry fitted all in, and then I'll glue it. Here's Bailey, inspecting my work to make sure it all looks good. She's got her cute little Halloween color on. Oh, she's so loving. like, comment, subscribe, and let us know who you're making yours for. There you go. Easy to build, easy on your pocketbook. Thank you again for watching, and until next time, build on.